In this video I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code. First open any browser. Search for VS Code. Click on first link. Here you can download installer as per your operating system. Here are downloading start. Double-click on installer. Click on I accept the agreement. Now click on next. Here you can set custom path for installation. Click next. Here you can select option as per your requirement. Click next and install. Here are Visual Studio Code installed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and support developer community.